Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we've discussed this for about a year and a half now, but they keep talking about this so-called tourist tax. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Yet Another New Date for Introduction of Thai Tax on Foreign Visitors. Quoting directly, the fifth provisional date for the start of the long-delayed 300 baht, US $9 levy on virtually all international arrivals by land, sea, and air is June 1, 2023. The Tourist Ministry, announcing the revenue-raising ploy, pointed out that the introduction depended on cabinet approval and publication in the Royal Gazette before the current government coalition calls a general election due not later than early May. So this is kind of another one of these stories that gets out there that on the surface, it's like a done deal, but it's really not. Pointed out, I'm going to quote again, pointed out that the introduction depended on cabinet approval, which is pending, doesn't have it yet. That's no mean feat. And publication in the Royal Gazette, again, hasn't happened yet. So this isn't really slated to be on the books, strictly speaking. So again, I've talked about this a lot in other videos. I don't think this is a great idea. I think whatever shortfalls Thailand's trying to make up, I think it's a bad idea to directly tax tourists. I think it's better to find some way to regain tax revenue in some other way. And there are ways to do it. They've introduced, for example, new commodities onto the Thai market, especially the tourists are going to be interested in. We're now kicking back up after 2.5 years to actually seeing a tourism sector that's actually functional. So as a practical matter, I think there are going to be myriad ways for Thai officials to go ahead and find some revenue for tax purposes. But that being said, it's not going to be something that's particularly going to happen overnight. My personal opinion is not a great idea to go ahead and kill the golden goose, so to speak, by going ahead and taxing tourists, because that's exactly the demographic of people that are actually bringing in money. So sort of discouraging or dissuading them would be a terrible idea in my opinion. So the thing to take away from this video, as of now, they're still talking about this. The press still makes it seem like it's sort of a foregone conclusion, but the fact of the matter is there's been no cabinet resolution. This has not been published in the Royal Gazette, so it simply remains something that they're discussing on a policy level.